Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into something that feels less like a motorcycle review and more like a glimpse into the future of travel. Imagine combining the legendary comfort and engineering of the Honda Goldwing with the freedom of a tiny home on wheels. That's exactly what the 2026 Honda Goldwing Tiny Home Camper promises to deliver. And in this video, we're going to explore what makes this machine one of the most talked about touring concepts of the year. At first glance, the Goldwing itself still carries that unmistakable presence. Long, low, and confidently sculpted, it looks every bit the king of the highway. Honda hasn't abandoned the premium touring DNA that made this bike famous. The front fairing is more aerodynamic than ever, the LED lighting is sharper and brighter, and the overall design feels modern without losing the classic prestige riders expect. But the real magic begins once you notice what's attached behind it. The tiny home camper module is where this setup transforms from a touring motorcycle into a true mobile lifestyle platform. Designed to be lightweight yet durable, the camper integrates seamlessly with the Goldwing's chassis through a reinforced towing and stabilization system. Step inside the camper and you quickly realize why people are calling it a tiny home rather than just a trailer. The interior is surprisingly spacious for its size, with smart use of vertical space and fold-away components. There's a compact sleeping area that comfortably fits 2 adults, a small kitchenette with induction cooking, a sink. One of the most impressive features is the integrated power system. The camper draws from a combination of the Goldwing's upgraded electrical system and its own onboard battery pack, supported by rooftop solar panels. This means you can run lighting, charge devices, power the mini fridge, and even use small appliances without worrying about draining the motorcycle's main battery. Now let's talk about performance, because towing a tiny home behind a motorcycle sounds like a recipe for sluggish handling. The 2026 Goldwing features a refined version of its flat-6 engine, tuned for stronger low-end torque. Comfort remains one of the strongest selling points. The rider and passenger seats are wide, heated, and ventilated, and the suspension soaks up road imperfections beautifully. Long days in the saddle feel less exhausting, and when you finally decide to stop, your home is already parked right behind you. From a technology standpoint, Honda went all out. The dashboard features a large, high-resolution touchscreen with navigation, towing metrics, energy usage stats for the camper, and smartphone integration. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The system includes blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control calibrated for towing, collision mitigation braking, and a rear-mounted camera that provides a clear view of the camper while riding.